Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve question number 21 of NEET Physics paper 2016. Students, let us solve question number 21. It is about coefficient of linear expansion of brass and steel rods are. The coefficient of linear expansions of both these metals are given, alpha 1 and alpha 2. Lengths of brass and steel rods are L1 and L2 respectively. If L1 minus L2 is maintained same, that the difference is maintained same at all temperatures, which one of the following relations holds good? The formula for when a rod is heated, when a rod of length L0 at 0° centigrade is heated to a temperature T centigrade, the length is LT. Then we know that the increase in length, that is LT minus L0, is equal to the original length alpha and delta T, that is the change in temperature. So this is the change in length, and the final length is L0 plus L0 alpha delta T. Okay, this is the general expression. Now if I have two different substances, one is brass, another is steel, and it is said that they maintain their temperature, maintain their differences same at all temperatures. That means at 0° centigrade, if I write for brass and steel, the equation will be L1 or LB brass at 0° centigrade. At T centigrade, this is LB0 1 plus alpha 1 delta T. Okay, and for steel it will be LST, length of the steel at any temperature T centigrade will be LSO into 1 plus alpha 2 delta T. Now the difference is same at all temperatures, so the difference here it is at L1 and it is L2, the difference is same. So if I take the difference of these two, so LBT minus LST, this one is this difference LB naught 1 plus alpha 1 delta T minus LS naught 1 plus alpha 2 delta T. Just take the difference of this equation and this equation and we'll get this from here. LBT minus LST equals to, if I open this bracket, and write, this will become LB0 minus LS0 plus LB0 alpha 1 delta T minus LS0 alpha 2 delta T. Okay, the length is same, the difference of lengths, it says that L1 and L2, L1 minus L2 is same. So this is for brass and this is for steel. I have used the length at T centigrade temperature, and here the difference is at 0 degree centigrade. Here the temperature I've taken as 0, here taken as T, but the difference in length will remain same in the question given. So therefore this will cancel out. The whole of this and whole of this will cancel out. These are same values. Therefore this minus this is 0, so therefore this will be equal. So LB0 alpha 1 delta T must be equal to LS0 alpha 2 delta T. The temperature difference is same, that will also cancel. And this LB0 is the length at 0 degree centigrade. So it is, I'll write here, it is given as L1 and L2 respectively. So L1 alpha 1 equals to L2 alpha 2. I can write like that. So I can write like that, that it is I in place of this I'll write L1 alpha 1 L2 alpha 2. So this relation is character relation. L1 alpha 1 L2 alpha 2. So therefore the option number 1 is the correct answer to this question. Okay, thank you.